Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Reeve Knives Large Sebenza Annual here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Would you look at this box over here? This is a reissued box, but it's like the closest thing to the original one. In fact, also this is also a reissue card because it probably was lost. But this is something out of this world. This is super rare, very, very hard to find. And it's, yeah, not a cheap one. So this is a leather pouch, also from Reeve Knives, and inside you got the, to be kidding me. This is annual 2003 large Sebenza Reeve Knives in box elderberry inlay, which is astounding. It's just gorgeous. Would you look at this beauty over here? This is a fantastic knife, guys. It's a beauty to look at. Look at this. Really, really rare, hard to come by. This is a fantastic one. It's a unique, look at this. I mean, this inlay is just gorgeous, fantastic. This is the large, of course. This is going to be 8.2 inches overall with a 3.6 inch long blade. Maybe the cutting edge on this bad boy is a little bit less than 3.5 inch long, but still. Fantastic frame lock. You see you have the classic dual tone finish satin because of the inlay on this side, and sandblasted with these ridges on the edges, and you have of course another inlay over here. Your frame lock, dual tone, titanium pocket clip, tip up carry only. You have S30V blade with gold anodized thumb stud, nice drop point, hollow grind. Guys, beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Would you look at this? Fantastic. You can access the screws on this side. Super simple construction. Let's just quickly check the weight on this guy. There's of course no internal skeletonization going on. You also have to account a few grams of the lanyard right over here, but this guy is going to be 4.57 ounces, so not too shabby for a large knife. Very, very interestingly done. It's unique. This is just like unique. This is the annual, guys. Look at this finish over here. It's nicely done. It's fantastic. I don't know what else to say. It has some old feel. I mean, I don't know how to explain, because for example, I mean, just real quick, look at this. This is the new one and this is the old one. So you got old versus new, and just check out my comparison video between these two guys. But I think that this inlay has a little bit of the edge, towards that guy over there. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. But for sure, let me know what you think, and stay tuned if you want to know more about this guy. Check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.